you're interested in this recipe, you can see it at the end of the video. Welcome back to the Nonno Giorgio and Rory Cooking Italian for Weight Loss. And today we have a special day. We have our family here.
Yay!
Helping us make this. And we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a drink today.
Yes.
And we have a guest chef who's going to make a drink. One of them he actually got an award for. So you're in for a treat.
All right.
And let's have everybody introduce themselves.
Oh.
Your
Don't
name.
worry, I can
I'm
edit
Sarah. I'm Caitlin.
Jada. And Brendan.
this. And Brendan. And Brendan is going to make the drinks.
Yes.
So let's get started.
All right.
Yay!
The first drink we're making is called Naviation. It's an old standard and it's in honor of my lovely cousin, the flight attendant.
Sarah! Da, 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 da.
An Naviation is made of gin, Luxardo maraschino liqueur, lemon juice, and creme de violet. And creme de violet's relatively hard to find, so sometimes people would replace it with parfait amour or leave it out altogether. So the Naviation sort of lost popularity because of that, and it's experiencing sort of a renaissance at the moment. So we will start with 1.5 ounces of gin. And the ratio of the Naviation is highly debated, but I've sort of modernized the recipe. I've got some airline ready bottles of my Luxardo and my creme de violet. And I'm going to do about 1/2 ounce of the Luxardo. And I would usually use a bar spoon for this, but 1/4 ounce of the creme de violet.
And this is good to drink. You can also wear it as a perfume.
It is an acquired taste. People do tell me it tastes like a perfume sometimes, but... And then about 0.75 ounces of the lemon. Add your ice to your shaker. A slow 10-second shake. That way you don't dilute the cocktail. And then strain into your glass. And you made Naviation. And you made Naviation.
All right.
There's one.
And now our favorite part of the show, the tasting.
There we go. Rory.
No. Okay. Oh, it smells like gin and lilac. No, lavender.
Violets.
And look at the color.
Wow.
This is one of my favorites.
Oh, I love it. I love it. You know what? It tastes a lot like a Cosmo, though, like my favorite.
Okay.
Try it, Sarah. It's wonderful. Isn't that delicious?
That's really nice. It's really refreshing and it's crisp.
Yes.
It's really
Yes.
It's really good. I
We
really
love
like
it.
Please like our video by checking the little thumbs up. That way you let us know you enjoyed it. Please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button, then the bell and all. This will ensure that you get all of our new videos. Volume 2 of our cookbook with 54 new recipes is available from Amazon as a color paperback or an ebook.
This next drink is one of mine. I used to run a bar in Detroit called Johnny's Royal Oak. It was a speakeasy in a building owned by the Kevorkian family. It was in a little shooting range in the basement. It was a little brick room, no windows. You'd give the server in the restaurant upstairs a password, and they would take you down through the kitchen, through a fake freezer door, into this little dimly lit room, and have cocktails. So this one's called a lead horse. It is a mezcal drink.
Is this the room with the bullet holes?
It is, yeah. There were bullet holes in all the walls. So it's a mezcal drink. We're going to be making 2 syrups to go into it. One is a true grenadine. A lot of grenadines you buy in the store are cherry flavored, but a real grenadine is made of pomegranate. And an Orgeat, which is a toasted almond syrup. So first we're going to start with our grenadine. And a lot of grenadines you buy in the store are a cherry flavor, a maraschino cherry, but we're making the traditional grenadine, which is pomegranate based. We've cheated the system a bit and we're making a pomegranate juice. So we'll start with a half cup of sugar on a hot burner, and then follow that with a half cup of pomegranate.
You always want to be careful when you do sugar. Sugar can burn very bad.
Right. So you stir that up. You want equal parts grenadine, equal parts sugar, and when it heats up enough, it will turn into a syrup. While we're doing that, we will get our Orgeat started. An Orgeat is a toasted almond syrup. Go ahead and add a half cup of almonds to the burner, and we'll let that heat up and toast them. Some people make a rich grenadine or a rich syrup, which is twice the sugar to the amount of water, but I think that this cocktail is better without it.
I
Okay,
like sweet drinks, except wine. I don't like sweet wine.
so our grenadine should be about ready. You can see the sugar's disappeared. It's now a syrup. You can take that off the heat. And our almonds are now nicely toasted, so we can start adding the rest of the ingredients to that.
And I'm getting a great almond smell right now.
And then we'll follow that with a cup of sugar. We'll wait for this to dissolve the sugar. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of orange flower water and 1 ounce of vodka. It's a part of a drink. And we'll let that cool.
This could be good over ice cream.
Yeah, Orgeat is great on everything.
Okay.
Alright, and now that we have our Orgeat prepped, we're going to strain it. Orgeat is like Falernum's less labor-intensive sibling. Falernum can take up to 12 hours to make. Alright, and now we have everything prepped to put our cocktail together. So we're going to be using my favorite mezcal, Monte Lobos. Monte Lobos is a precursor to tequila and an evolution of pulque. The agave hearts are shredded and smoked in big clay pits underground, which gives it a really smoky flavor. So we'll do 1 ounce and 3/4 of mezcal. Two ounces of orange. 3/4 of an ounce of our Orgeat syrup, and then a bar spoon or a 1/4 ounce of Grenadine. And a light shake with ice preferably. The mezcal smells incredible. Strain and serve. And the taste test.
Wow. All right.
Another favorite part of the show,
Yes.
the taste.
Oh my gosh, that has so many levels of flavor. Wow. It just has layers and layers of fragrance and flavor.
Wow.
Okay, if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, then the bell, and then all. Our cookbooks are out, volume 1 and 2, and 3 is in the making. So for now, ciao and arrivederci.
Thanks for
Ciao.
watching. Enjoy the drinks.
And the exclusive recipe, because this is the first time I've shared it.
Yes. All right.
Here's the recipe. You can pause the video to copy down the recipe, or it's in the notes below the video on YouTube. We hope you have enjoyed our channel. If you have, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you get notified of new videos when they come out.